honorable members, would you please mind to...
Sir, interesting points are coming. Allow me.
Interesting.
I was checking about the, we're talking about deaths, so I check a particular article given by the Business Today e-paper. It came out on the 27th of February, the rising deaths of states. You can check online. It is available now also, where this article has given, according to RBI report, which are the states that are having the maximum loans or debts. Tamil Nadu is number 1 at 8.3 lakh crores. UP at 7.2 lakh crores is number 2. Maharashtra, West Bengal, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, and Madhya Pradesh. These are the top 10 states with maximum debts. Interestingly, when I check which are the states that are having the biggest GSDP or most developed, I find the same states are in the list. Maharashtra is at number 1 with the GSDP at 42.67 lakh crores. Tamil Nadu number 2, Karnataka, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan, and the rest. Now, what is the inference that we get out of this? The states that are daring to take maximum loans are also the states that are best performing. So I must urge the Chief Minister, be courageous. There is a Latin phrase that says, ex nihilo nihil. Out of nothing, nothing comes. Or nothing comes out of nothingness. If the Chief Minister and the Cabinet want to take the state to greater heights and glory and development, they should be daring to take loans. Calculated risk. There's no pain, no gain. Ex nihilo nihil. In the devolution of taxes, sir, Meghalaya is only receiving 0.767% out of the total devolution. But we must pray that the tax collection of the central government increase year by year. Even though the percentage is small, the amount that we'll get will keep rising. So my advice to the Chief Minister and the Cabinet is, be firm, stay determined, remain focused, while you drive the state along the road to development. There will be a lot of honking, a lot of people will try to overtake, but remain focused. If you need to borrow more, please do, but maintain the speed limit. In your speech, sir, you have given the fiscal deficit percentage is only 2.96% of the GSDP. You are well within the speed limit. Keep driving. We want the state to develop. On a lighter note, sir, I think it was you who mentioned that there are many success stories out of the government schemes. I have heard of the success story of the different self-help groups in Garo Hills. And Nokma ice cream is there. And Awang chips is there. We heard the success story. Sir, why not? We have this session till Thursday. Let us taste the success also. Order some Nokma ice cream and Awang chips we can try out in the house. With these few words, I resume my seat.